Hello guys, welcome back to the channel today, and we are going to make these beauties. This is carrot cake muffins with a buttered cheese cream frosting, and it's super delicious. It's perfect for the summer, and this is what we're gonna bake. If you are new here, I do videos just like this one, so hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And now let's get baking. You add 1.5 cup of almond flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a flat teaspoon of pumpkin spice, half a cup of sweetener, I use xylitol, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, hint of salt, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 eggs, and then you mix this up. Now you can add 1 cup of shredded carrots, loosely packed, and you need half a cup of walnuts or pecans. I will go walnuts this time. And now you put the dough into the muffin cups. And now you have 2 tablespoons of dough in each of the cup, and you will get 7 muffins. And now you put it into the oven on 170 degrees for about 25-30 minutes. And now we are going to make the frosting. This is a cream cheese frosting, and for that you will need Turkish or Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon, about 200 grams of room temperature butter, 400 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese, and xylitol. I will powder this with the hand mixer, and this is what we will do. And you can also add some vanilla powder. Now you can see how this looks like. It's really a softer powder form, and this is what you want for your frosting. Now you will add the 200 grams of butter on room temperature, 400 grams of cream cheese, hint of vanilla, and 1 packed tablespoon of Greek or Turkish yogurt. And now you can add your sweetener. Start with half a cup of powdered xylitol or erythritol or the sweetener of your choice, and then test it and see how you like it. If you feel you reach the level of sweetness, then you are good. This is what you will use on the top of your muffins. If you feel you need to add more, just add more until it tastes as you like it. Now our frosting is done, and you can see it's very soft and buttery, and you want to keep it like this. You don't want to put this in the fridge. You want to keep it on room temperature, and when your muffins cool down, then you can put on the topping and decorate your muffins, and they will be just perfectly delicious and creamy. They are all done, and now we just wait until they fully cool down, and then we will put on the frosting and the decoration. Now all the muffins cool down, and now you can put on your buttercream topping. And I like to be very, very generous. And then you can put on some decoration from crushed pecans or walnuts as you like. Or even some strawberries. And here you go, here are your carrot cake, cheese cream, butter frosting muffins. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. All the ingredients and the recipe is in the description box below. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.